nyariri atiriri ati nedira mukira domereri cia kumenereria na kumenithia kuma kuri rivals. You understand? Atiriri today umuthi uyu hena kamundu kamwe karoigire atiriri ati and I find him rather inverted, rather stupid for ndu wako gatukiugo kiegega. I find him rather stupid ndu wako ya ihinda riake a discuss media houses. That is very immoral. That is not something you would do in a corporate world.
It is true.
Then wazi corporate ile ya makabuni ile mwedi wa kiratu wako makabuni ya batari dagi discuss kabuni ya umoja.
Neguo, it is true.
He should not have any interest.
It is very very true.
When
ugathagiriria giaku
kiwuri
ukaignore you ignore totally completely ona
exactly.
Dine kiugo kiriku
ugatua tiriri everything else does not exist.
Na nikio na ndawa cia magegori ndia makwihariria makwigathiriria ginya riria maroka guku kwa inoro na riria marathi session icio ingi mugatiriri the number 1 recommended by dentist
ino niyo namba imwe.
The number 1 recommended by
ni kumanisha kwina namba 2 na 3 na 4 na 5 which is not our
and
interest.
we don't care. It is the number 1 recommended
asio gitangatho kiu kieherari kingi goka ikoiga atiriri the number 1 recommended by who?
By dentist
or asio. For that reason kadeori one didegwire ekehia muno ni tondu wa ku discuss kamwana kanini takau to be fair ni rehirie muno ni ku discuss kamwana takau. He's too young for him. I assume he no kwelithe miaka ya ithe kamwana kau
kana guka we
kana hihi gu nega kurakuruka muruka we tikimwana. I find him very inverted akihuthira ihinda riake ku discuss na ku discourage mwanake toriku but that is not an issue. Ni tondu riri tariu Kandeo yaugire atiriri ati amweri mararutirwo na kuria utuku maroka muthenya which was atiare mundu nginonie tu and I didn't mind ndiatindirire ngiuga ati riu ni ku ni ndonirio ndaratumirwo ni sister yakwa kija toga wone haguria okay ndiatindirire no ni atiriri thini wa thino eno turatura eno ri the ihoire ahohoteki. You see, there are mental cases. He could be unwell no kone muguruki muthuri ucio na ndongiuga conclusively ni muguruki kana ti muguruki. It is an issue kore ithu tutikire psychiatrists no ni atiriri thini wa thiria turatura a modern world iria ina rurenda taruru turerorerwo haria taundi ndiono hale na rono ha
murega
one hu hau ageithania kinya mucie thini wa modern day society no mwako ngia shock absorbers gute kumakania niki ati ni urarumo
ani keguyo let me tell you and this is the truth ni kuri kindu gitagwo riri the journey ya let's say for example nenda inere ni hako na button yitagwo block. There is something called block. Unfortunately on radio it is not there. Utire button yitagwo block and I think ndikane gagikinya gutwike radio ni handu ngi block ati mundu ati radio yake hingurira ogwo ri ati ndangeigua kuna. You see with social media it is quite different. Radio ni corporate na ni public.
It is a corporate entity.
So mundu ngigiria no nginya uri criticize
mundu wigithi ndagika eno ri na ni mugithire angira kuigwa ino ro ndungimugiria
ati handu ngimuhinyira block. You can't block thaicire mundu wi kundu kungi kuraihu muno na thisia kuraihu na kuna kuri nduri handu ungihota kumuhinyira block tigatori ati guku kungi ati no hote kuhinyira mundu block
umuhingiririe
radio ni koragwo ri different tondu nayo ri ni corporate no ria isetetwo iri public ugo hederi ori in public ri duka expect ati ni ugukorwo ukigathiririo ni andu othe riu no utwuga ukithia hau comment ine already hati agite turumi twiri ukona riu no utwuga ukithia hau comment ine hati agite opurace igiri kana ithatu.
It is true.
So when we mwene you filter kiria urenda uigue kio woe